Oh my god. Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfika, you are watching ZFN channel. So guys, in this video I will be unboxing a few smartwatches. They were sent to me by the company called Shenzhen Shouji. It is a China-based company. They produce and manufacture a lot of smartwatches. So they sent to me the samples. It is their new models. So the rounded one here, it is the Z19 Smartwatch. And the other one here is the Apple-ish design, basically an Apple Watch copy design. It is the Z23 Smartwatch. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox these smartwatches and see how it looks and see how it formed. And yeah, so guys, enjoy. So right guys, so here are the Z19 models. I had the black one and the white one, so I just unboxed the black one first. So here are the watch. Yeah, it's pretty light. Let's see what's inside the box. Have the clip type charger. Oh my god, I think they should just have moved to magnets. Charging cable. This is a clip type, not a fan. So this is a user guide, English and Chinese. So this one is the black one. Let's unbox the white one. See the difference. So the white one, oh my god, it's so white. So the difference here, oh my god, buttons here, interaction button. There's only one interaction button here. This one doesn't have any buttons. So anyway, let's take a look around the smartwatch. So yeah, at the front here we have the wording smartwatch. I don't think it is necessary to put this very large. Just just remove this, in my opinion. There's also wording sports health new code. I don't know what's the purpose they put all this wording if there's no button here. There's just one button here to interact the smartwatch. Yeah, and the workmanship is pretty bad. There's bubbles at the screen here. So anyway, let's take a look at the back. We have the heart rate sensor at the center here, and this is the 2-pin to charge. And the wording here, new smart sport health watch. And the strap is made of, I think this is a polymer TPU. I think this is TPU material. So guys, I already charged the battery of the smartwatch, so let's turn this thing on. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. I thought it was rounded screen, but no, it's a square screen. Take a look around the watch. So as we swipe to the left or right, we can change the watch face. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 5 pre-installed watch face. And if we swipe from the bottom to the top, we go to the menu bar. Here is the, what is called? See, I think this one is the Bluetooth on. Okay. We have the music controller, QR code to download the app. This is the step and distance tracker. Dialer, can make calls with the watch. Of course, you have to connect with the smartphone, phone book. So we swipe from the top to the bottom. We go to the notification center. Tap at the screen here one time. We go to the list of the application. inside the watch. So we have here, this is step tracker, heart rate monitor, we have the sensor here, dialer, phone book, we have running, sit up, jumping jack, basketball, badminton, volleyball, bike riding, tennis, dual mode. What's a dual mode? Oh, this one is for the Bluetooth, music controller, sleep tracking, camera shutter, stopwatch, find my device, reset, messages, weather, QR code, more. This is the settings. You can change the language, set the time, and the date. Yeah, pretty simple watch. Although I'm not quite impressed with this screen. Should be, you know, full screen, full rounded screen, not a square screen. So guys, testing the heart rate sensor. $74. Okay, wait, my resting heart rate sensor is around 69 beats per minute, so let's try another go. Okay, there's just a few bits of error, but it's not that much, so I think it is acceptable. So next up guys is the Z23 Smartwatch. So they sent me a black one and a rose gold one. So let's unbox the black one first. Alright, so this looks pretty promising. Here are the watch. Okay. So again, this is a really nice package. They give two straps, standard silicone strap with the stainless steel strap. So the size of this watch is 44 mm. This is the charging cable, a magnetic one. This is the user manual, the RD Fit app. This is the first time I heard the name of this app. So let's take a look at the watch itself. Let's open it up. Oh my god, how they install the screen protector? Is bubbles here. Now let's take a closer look. So from the spec sheet, it has a 1.7-inch LCD display with 320 x 385 screen resolution. Pretty standard spec for a screen. So as we look at the right side of the watch, we have the crown button here. I think the dial here, I don't know that does it function or not. We'll check it out later. So this one is the microphone, so you can make calls with this smartwatch. And this one is not function, it's only for gimmick, no buttons here. So at the left side we have the speaker grill too, which is standard. So at the back of the watch we have the heart rate sensor at the center here, and a few other LED lights. I don't know if this is a real sensor or just a normal LED light. So here is the 2-pin to charge the smartwatch. So a few details here they show. So it says here, watch sick, different vision, same love, health, healthy, fashion. What is champagne? Champagne, right? Champagne. Right. Pretty weird details. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's try install the strap. So yeah, standard look. like an Apple Watch. So let's unbox the rose gold color one. Yeah, it looks like this. Let's open it. Yeah, standard rose gold color inside the box. Yeah, the silicone strap, stainless steel strap. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just turn this on, see what can we have inside smartwatch. So here the smartwatch booting up. Okay, so here is the first display. Okay, it changes color as I pressed it. So let's take a look around the smartwatch. So as we swipe from the left, we have the half menu here with some frequently used application here you can choose. So as we swipe from the top to the bottom, we can see the quite simple half menu bar. So this is the Bluetooth control to turn the Bluetooth on or off. This is the battery life here. So as we swipe from the bottom to the top, we will go directly to the bubble menu. As we can see, the OS here, it's not that smooth. It has a bit of a lag, but still acceptable. Yeah, you can see here. And also the dial here, you can adjust the size of the app icon. So you turn it down this way, yeah, you can adjust like the Apple Watch. So you want to make it bigger again, adjust to the top, and again to the top here, you go directly to the app itself. And also the crown button, you can change your watch face as we turn it this way. So this is the first wallpaper, second one, third one, fourth. So how many watch face that's pre-installed inside the watch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11, and also you can download more on the app. So let's now check the application one by one. You need to change the menu style here. What, up and down? Aha, this one is much better. And also you can change page with the dial crown button. So this is the phone book to sync with the smartphone. This is the dial, make call with it. You need to connect first the smartwatch to the phone, and this is call logs. This is the messages. I think what does this do? So this is the Bluetooth setting to connect with our smartphone. This is the step tracker and distance tracker, sleep monitor, heart rate sensor, heart rate monitor. So okay, it uses the red LED, no, green LED sensor. Okay, next up we have the sorry, this is the heart rate monitor. What's the difference here? Oh, sorry, this one is a bit convenient. I'm so confused right now. I think this one is for ECG and this one is for the heart rate monitor. I'm guessing there's not much detail. This one is a blood pressure and blood oxygen. What is this? Temperature. Wow, I can measure temperature too. Find my phone, connect with our smartphone, alarm, calendar, music controller, connect with our smartphone, and this is for shutter controller. This is the list of workouts or sport mode. Here we have walk, outdoor running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, ping pong, football. What? Papa? Does anybody know what Papa means? For sport mode. This is a QR code. Download the app. Stopwatch. Calculator. Nice. Voice recorder. Have a weather to connect. Sync our smartphone. What is this? Oh, motion. Click to incoming call. Okay, there's a few motion that we can set up. This is the language setting. Display. Name display. Okay. Auto sync. Power saving on. Power saving mode. Drink water reminder. Immunity. Not catching here. What does immunity means? Status. What? I need to set on. This is the settings. Menu style. Okay. Oh my god. It's pretty annoying when I enter an application and I go back. I have to scroll back to where I should be. This is game. Wow, Top Gun. Oh my god. Oh. How to control? Oh, okay. Woo! Pretty nice. Have games in it. I don't know who's gonna play it. We have Facebook. We connect our smartphone, Twitter, and lastly the WhatsApp. And also, this is the brightness control, right? Yeah, that's pretty much all the application inside the smartwatch. Right, guys, let's try the heart rate sensor for this watch. This one. $70. I would say it's pretty legit. Can read my beats per minute, not quite accurately, but just a slight error. But yeah, it's pretty okay. So alright guys, that is all for this unboxing video for Z19 and Z23 Smartwatch. And if you guys like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. That would be much appreciated. And I see you guys in the next video.